A dual pair of pseudo-corresponding photographic portals work with the low-tech inverse relationship between invisibility and holodecks. The invisible outside boundary of the local environment of one photographic portal becomes the interior holodeck of the other one, and that portal's local outside invisible boundary becomes the holodeck of this photographic portal. And anything that's captured inside objects in photographic form. With televisual portals, mirror world, it follows a mirror world type of topology. From the outside world to the virtual cloaking interface to the real holodeck to the virtual holodeck, then to transmitting and receiving cyclic recursion, and then back to the real holodeck again. These show people. This shows Televisual Portal 1. This shows Televisual Portal 2 with their virtual selves inside. This follows the same invisible inverse relationship to holodecks, but now it's done with telepresence, with actual real-time telepresence. Photographic portals can produce telepresence inside too, but it's a pseudo telepresence. You can create a form that seems to float off the surface of the walls, but it's only a representation of the person in the other portal. These are actual real-time representations, televised representations that you can interact with. Televisual portal. That's what this is. Another explanation. First you have the outside world, then you have the cloaking interface, then you have the holodeck interface, then you have the secondary holodeck interface. The V's and the R's are for real and virtual. Then dual televisual virtual transmission creates a virtual space where the virtual, I call them John and Jane, but on this one it's written Bob and virtual Alice and virtual Bob and Alice. And these are dual telepresent portals, televisual telepresent portals. For a cosmic portal, and I believe that quantum computers will all have a televisual portal for their quantum computer network as its only periphery, because it mimics both the invisible and the holographic intersection of a visual reality. And it can mimic anything you need for a quantum computer. But once a quantum computer is connected to a televisual portal, it could become a cosmic portal, because when you quantumly sense the outside boundary, the invisible boundary, you're giving it a quantum invisibility, which outputs into the quantum cloak that goes through to the other side and actually makes it quantumly invisible, or at the quantum level. And then it can produce a quantum holodeck, which when fed in virtual form actually has a hyper-televised transmission to the, well, it doesn't need it. Here's the thing, cosmic portals don't actually need a corresponding portal, because it's an entanglement that first creates a many worlds that emerges out of the superposition of the quantum computer sensory and output for all these states, these chain of mirror worlds, which act as entangled pairs to whatever the quantum computer selects, or whatever you desire the quantum computer to select for its sensory senses. It opens up an actual, from the many worlds, emerges out of something position senses, and then it creates its byproduct. Quilted Multiverse emerges out of space-time. So it's only peripheral or its only counterpart, correspondence, is a symbiotic homeostatic sustaining boundary, a hidden reality, a patch of a pocket of space hidden within the reality on the outside, a dual realities, symbiotic homeostasis of dual realities. So a photographic portal has a pseudo-corresponding photographic portal. A televisual portal has a televised real-time telepresence. This is telepresence too, but in a photographic sense. Telepresence, interacting, you can interact with. And then a televisual portal becomes a cosmic portal, entanglement, with merging of the many worlds, superposition, and the Quilted Multiverse, which emerges out of space-time. So I hope I explained this clearly, and if not, then read the description to this video to understand it better. But the cosmic portal, its only counterpart would be a sustaining boundary hidden in reality. Well, thanks a lot.